God another act. Oh crap. To T22, bad news. I just broke my TV out of rage from an ad.
Don't worry about it. I can get you a new one. This one looks nice. I'll take it. Alright. That'll be $199.99. Thank you.
Wow. This thing is fancy. It even has a built-in streamer. It's a little slow. Ironic that it's called the SmartCast. Okay, there it goes.
Broken solar panel and tornado Siren Madness.
Hey. Why you turn it off?
Because that video sucks. It's of PSP's old bonfire merch store. We all know he uses Spring now and has been using Spring for well over a year.
Oh, I guess you're right. Let's watch The Simpsons. The heck is this? A rickroll.
Wow. Nice job taking care of that jerk.